So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a readme file in VS Code. So guys, if you want to create a readme file in the VS Code, so guys, for this, first of all guys, you go to your application where you create your file, and guys, you go for create a new file. After that, here you simply search readme. Main thing is your extension, so make sure the readme extension is .me. So every file have their own extension. So readme have the extension of .me. So you hit enter, and guys, you can create your own readme here. Okay, whatever you want, you just typed here, and you simply using the control S to save this. So this is the easy way that you can create your readme file, and you also use create with the help of terminal. Like first of all, you go here and create. Simply first of all, you move to your folder. Okay, first check that your folder, and here is a make directory. There is some commands that you can search and you easily get it. So guys, thank you.